Today, we will talk about how to clean grout in bathroom tiles. Let's have a look at the details. The important thing to remember when it comes to cleaning grout is that you should always start with the mildest cleaning product and only work your way up to harsher cleaners if necessary. This may mean some extra time, but it could help preserve the life of your grout for another couple of years, as some harsh cleaners can damage grout. This video will teach you how to clean bathroom grout. The first method is quick solutions. Try scrubbing with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. In case the baking soda and vinegar mixture didn't do the trick, try hydrogen peroxide instead of vinegar. Make a thin paste with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, and use the toothbrush to scrub the paste into the grout. Pour on some additional peroxide if necessary. Rinse with warm water when you're finished. You should never mix vinegar and hydrogen peroxide, so clean the area well and wait a couple of days before trying this method. If the hydrogen peroxide doesn't remove all the dirt and grime, it will at least improve the appearance of the grout by removing stains and will kill any mold that's present. Give borax and lemon oil a try. In a small bowl, mix together 1/4 cup, 63 grams, borax, ½ teaspoon, 3 milliliters, lemon oil, and enough liquid soap, such as Castile soap, to make a paste. Use your toothbrush to scrub the paste into the grout, and then rinse with warm water. Steam clean the grout. One effective and environmentally friendly way of cleaning grout is to attack it with a steam cleaner. Outfit your steam cleaner with a thin and pointed nozzle, and a brush attachment if it's available. Aim the nozzle at the grout lines, apply continuous steam, and follow the grout lines with the steamer. Even if the steam cleaner doesn't get the grout perfectly clean, it will clean it somewhat, and help loosen the rest of the dirt and debris to make it easier to clean with other products. Break the grout down with baking soda and vinegar. Take 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, of baking soda and add enough water to make a thick paste. Dip a clean toothbrush or grout brush into the paste, and then use the toothbrush to scrub the grout with the paste. For the best results, use a new toothbrush with hard bristles, and scrub the grout in a circular motion, rather than back and forth. When you have finished scrubbing the grout, use a spray bottle to spray the area with a half and half mixture of vinegar and water. Let it bubble for about half an hour. Use the toothbrush to scrub the baking soda paste and vinegar into the grout again. Rinse the area with clean water. The second method is cleaning with stronger product. Try oxygen bleach products. This is another name for sodium percarbonate, which is a compound made of hydrogen peroxide and soda crystals. Brand name products include Clorox, OxyClean, OxyMagic, and BioClean. Mix the product with water as per the manufacturer's instructions. Apply to the affected area and let it sit for up to an hour before scrubbing and rinsing. Be sure to use these products in a well-ventilated area, and avoid contact with your skin. Always wear gloves to use these products. Always spot test commercial products in a small area on your grout to make sure the product won't discolor, erode, or damage your grout. Don't use any sort of bleach product on colored grout. Use a commercial grout cleaner and whitener. There are many cleaners out there that are designed specifically for grout, and most of them can be purchased at hardware stores. Be sure to always follow the manufacturer's instructions for use, and follow all the safety precautions. Commercial grout cleaners include Zep, Gugon Grout, Outrageous, Tilex Tile and Grout. Beware of chemical combinations. In case you find one chemical hasn't worked and you want to try another, be sure to wash the area and wait a couple of days before trying something new. Just like hydrogen peroxide and vinegar can combine to form peracetic acid, so too can commercial cleansers mix to form poisonous gases, caustic liquids, and noxious fumes. Stain the grout as a last resort. For dirt and stains that just won't come clean from your grout, there are colorants you can apply to cover the stains and make your grout look like new. The area should be nice and clean, but if not, give it a once over with your favorite cleaner and let the area dry overnight. Pour a small amount of grout colorant into a container. Dip a clean toothbrush or grout brush into the color and apply it to the grout using even, back and forth strokes. Remove the excess with a paper towel, and allow to dry as per the manufacturer's instructions. The third method is keeping grout clean. Wipe it with alcohol. One of the easiest ways to prevent grout from getting dirty is to clean it often with something that will prevent mold and mildew from forming in the first place. One such substance is alcohol. Once a week, wipe the grout down with isopropyl, rubbing alcohol using a clean cloth. Spray it with a mold inhibitor. There are several spray solutions you can make yourself using a clean spray bottle, including vinegar and water, tea tree oil and water, and hydrogen peroxide. 2 to 3 times a week, spray the grout after a bath or shower with a solution of half and half vinegar and water. However, be aware that the overuse of vinegar on grout can cause erosion over many years. Water in 15 to 20 drops of tea tree oil. Shake well before each use. Pure hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle. Dry the grout after every use. Removing the excess water from tiles and grout after a shower or bath is one of the easiest ways to keep grout looking new. After each use, wipe the shower walls or bath down with an old towel or squeegee. Keep the bathroom dry. Another great way to keep mold and mildew from growing in your bathroom is by removing the water that allows it to grow. If your bathroom isn't equipped with an exhaust fan, remove moisture from the air after every shower or bath by opening the window and blowing a stand-up fan out the window. Seal the grout. Grout should be resealed every few years. Sealant can be applied to the grout lines with a paintbrush. Allow it to dry, and then remove sealant from the tiles by wiping them in a diagonal direction with a damp cloth or sponge. Once applied and cleaned, allow the sealant to cure for about 3 to 4 hours. There are some tips for you. Never clean grout with a brush that has metal bristles, as it will wear away the grout over time. Some people recommend bleach to clean grout, but it can actually turn your grout yellow and cause it to erode, so it should be avoided or only tried as a last resort. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.